So let us learn that how we have to construct a tangent of a circle from a point that is given outside. So here P is the point which is given outside. I have taken a scale, and from the center O you have to make a line like this till the point P. Okay, the point P can be anywhere outside the circle, either it can be 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, whatever. So what will be the next step? Take the
compass
and draw a perpendicular bisector on OP. So I will take this more than half of this OP for making an perpendicular bisector. So just to be very accurate, taking more than half and draw an arc from here to here like this. And similarly, without changing the radius, same thing I will do from point P, keeping this point on P and taking arc like this. This is the first one, this will be the second one. Okay, here we have completed the first part. Now what I will do, I will take the ruler and join these two arcs so that it will intersect on OP and it will be perpendicular bisector. So let me join and be little accurate. Here I have taken the pencil and just joining it. So this is the perpendicular bisector of OP, and this is the point at the center. This is point Q, where the both line has intersected. So from taking the point Q and P as a radius, QP as a radius, I will draw a circle like this. See, roughly I am showing you, I have to draw the circle which will go through the point O. If your circle is not going from the point O, means you have make some mistake. See, I will make an circle and it is going through point O and P, and this circle, this new circle will intersect the old circle at these 2 points. These are our required tangent. What we have to do now, just take your scale and join these 2 points, point P and the point where the new circle has intersected. This is the first tangent. And similarly, in the downside you have to join that point P, and this is the second tangent. So I will give the name of these two, okay, R and S. So PR and PS are the required tangent, are tangents of this circle, or I can say are the required tangent. Okay, so I hope you have learned that how we have to draw tangent. And now what I have to do, just join this O and R so that I can see that it will be exactly perpendicular. It will make perpendicular, it will make 90 degree. ORP will be 90 degree. That's why it is known as tangent. So angle PRO is equal to 90 degree. I have written similarly. See this one. Angle PSO will be also equal to 90 degree. So to draw that, again do the same thing. Take the scale, point at point O and this S, join it very carefully and see that angle PSO is at 90 degree. I hope you have learned. So subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share with your friends.